Hello and thanks for watching Planted once again. I hope that you all are doing great. Today we are talking about pollination. Have you ever wondered what's inside a flower? Let's have a look at it. Androecium, the male part of the flower, produces pollen grains. Gynoecium, the female part of the flower, which receives the pollen grains and the ovary turns into a fruit. So what's exactly pollination? The transfer of the pollen grains from the male part of the flower to the female part is called pollination. Now, who's responsible for doing this? Insects and the birds. And this is how a fruit grows. But if you do not have any insects around your plant, you can pollinate your plant too. Just keep on watching the video. Now, I have this beautiful calmadine orange plant which is in full bloom right now. Last year, during spring season, I had a similar blooming scenario going on, but no oranges were produced on the plant. This is because we live in cities and we do not have any insects around to pollinate the plant. So this time, I'm trying to self-pollinate the flowers. Let us zoom in into this flower. These are the male and the female parts of the flower. And here I have a brush. I'll pick up the pollen grains from one flower and drop them on the other. That's it. So simple. I did this activity with a brush. Now look at this bee doing the same activity with her legs. She transferred the pollen grains from one flower to the other, and if you look carefully, the pollen grains are sticking on her legs. What she gets? The nectar. Let's check the flowers after a few days. It has been 5 days since the pollination, and you can see the tiny oranges growing on the plant. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends so that they can watch and grow more fruits. Thanks, bye bye.